What's up, fam? I'm doing a quick video starting off with Becca Backlight Primer, and I'm just going to do a one eye look today, but I am going to show you just how I do my natural brow and just not using any brow dip. I'm giving you a very natural look. And so when I'm getting ready to do my brows, I just try to get any stray hairs. I've just had my brows waxed, so no need to wax them, but there are like excess hairs. And I want my look to be as flawless as possible, of course. And I'm using Essence Make Me Brow. And so this is just brow gel. And what I do is you'll see me rub it back and forth so that it does kind of tint my brows and the skin that's under my brows, so that when I add foundation or concealer, that my skin won't, the color of my actual skin won't be bleeding through. So I take like maybe 2 to 3 minutes to just go back and forth, tinting my skin, as well as coating the hairs on my eyebrow with this gel. All right, now I'm going to remove the excess. And then I'm going to go back in and fill this in a little bit more. I want my skin to be tinted better, and also I want to make sure that my brows are dark enough and full enough. The more you add, I don't know if you noticed, my brows are now a lot fuller. Now I'm moving on, and I'm using Makeup Revolution. I'm using that to really go in and carve the shape of the brow out. And that is Makeup Revolution C13 is the shade that I'm using. And now I'm just, of course, blending this in. I'm dabbing away. And going to make sure this is nice and blended and that there's not too much, to make sure that I don't have any creasing. And next I'll follow up with e.l.f. It's a HD powder. I won't say e.l.f. banana because I never saw the label say banana. It just says e.l.f. HD powder, but this is like one of my favorite powders. Sometimes if you use too much though, you do have a flashback. But this powder is really good, and it is very good at help with creasing. And so I'm just going to keep dabbing this in. And yeah, so this is a basic brow natural look, and thank you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.